Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Keita, and today we have another, that's right, Amazon haul because I have some new products that I got from Amazon. Excuse my lisp, I finally got my braces taken off last week, so currently I have about 3 retainers in my mouth, so I'm currently learning how to talk again. But let's get started on what we have today. We're gonna do the makeup last because I'm gonna show some swatches on my fingers so you guys can see the pigmentation of that makeup. But first item up today is rat tail combs. So I know you can buy these combs from anywhere, but as of late it's been really hard for me to find the ones with the pointed ends. I'm trying to get this to focus. So like the ends of the combs, they have like really sharp points on them, and I need those for parting my hair. I was hoping these would focus, but because they're in like double layers of plastic, oh, there we go. As you can see, these ones have like a point on the end, and they're really good for making really sharp points, or not points, but parts. We also have some Let's Jam. I know, this stuff you can get out of your local beauty supply store. However, I don't like going shopping. I much rather buy everything I can on Amazon. Judge me. Also, we have some new blue nail polish because I actually like to polish my toes. This is by Essie. I don't use a lot of polish on my nails. And if I polish my nails, it's typically just one nail. But this is actually called In the Cab Anna. I don't know if this is going to show, but yeah, maybe not. Anyway, I also have some pre-workout. I actually bought this because I was told that the gold standard is good. And this flavor is blueberry lemonade. I'm actually gonna start working out next week, I think. But I kind of just need pre-workout for energy because sometimes I wake up and I don't have any. And energy is important for what I have to do during the day. Also, I got some more eye mask. All right, so this is the box that I got from Amazon. But this is the one that's already open. So it's 24 karat gold under eye mask. And these are the ones I've been using, but I don't like to run out. I actually use these with the clay mask that I got, that I actually showed you guys in my last video. These are really good for your eyes, and you don't have to leave them on long. You're talking like maybe 10-20 minutes for the length of the time that you have the mask on. This is not something I would suggest you wear overnight. But I had initially bought one box when I first got them, and then I bought another box, and then when I saw that Amazon had the double box, I was like, yes, let me get those. I also bought these dual face masks. Okay, so it's by The Cream Shop, and it's actually a turmeric and matcha mask. As you can see, fusion sheet mask. The benefits of 2 masks in 1, and you actually get 5 in the pack. I said I just wanted to try these and see how they do. I've heard they were good, but you just have to try it and see if it works. Something else I got, kind of boring, just some black permanent adhesive sheets for some projects I was going to work on. And I also got some new lashes. Okay, so I'm not real big on wearing lashes because I'm not your average girly type of girl. Yes, I'm moving into my new adult life slash bachelorette stage, but again, I really don't do lashes unless I'm doing a makeup look. But I did find these lashes, and I was like, okay, you know, I'll try them and see how they work. This is by a company called Swinging Hair, but please note, these boxes that I'm about to show you next have all been pre-opened to save time, so I didn't have to like struggle with trying to open a box while recording this video. So if you were to get these lashes, as you can see, they will come sealed. Something I noticed in the Swinging Hair boxes is, I guess everybody is a winner I got a winning ticket for something. Like, I haven't even read it yet. So I also noticed that they had these little tweezers, which I thought was cool. These lashes are pretty, I guess you could say basic, but I like basic because, again, I really don't wear lashes. So anything calm to me is good. I did notice that these lashes are really soft. I mean, like, the hairs on them are awesome. Like, I really like these. And I also, by Swinging Hair, bought these lashes. If I can get the box open again. As you can see, there's a winning ticket in there. Everybody is a winner. These lashes, I know these top pair are a little more dramatic than I probably would normally wear, with the exception of the ones 380. Those resemble a pair of lashes that I gave my daughter before she left. So I think I'll dig those ones, but we'll see. But again, super, I mean, like, really hair-like, soft, like really natural feeling. And they also send tweezers, like the little lash tweezer things. And you also get like some instructions, which I thought were cute. I also got this pack of lashes. See if I can't switch hands and pull this out. All right, so this is actually a 5-pack, but it's all these same style lashes. These ones weren't as soft, but they're still really good. This is by a company called Dyesilk. I think that's how you pronounce their name. Again, these boxes were sealed, but pre-opened. But these two are really, really nice. Again, really basic. They have other more fancy styles, but I didn't need them, so I got what I liked. And before I forget, all of the links for the products being displayed will be in the description box below, along with the link to my Amazon store. Put that to the side. Also, I got this light. Okay, so I actually bought 2 of these. My daughter took one with her when she went to college. Yes, my baby is finally a college student. But yes, so I actually bought her one for her suite at her college. But I thought this light, at first I was like, I don't want to get my hopes up about it, because I had ordered a ring light before from Amazon, one of the smaller ones, and it was the first one I ordered was horrible. Like, it didn't even turn on, and then the second one didn't arrive, so I had to get a refund for that one. So when I bought this one, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna try it. Let's order it, see if they ship something, and let's go from there. But when I got it, I was like, okay. So this is the light on. Now this is at the lowest setting. Mind you, this is a 10-inch ring light. It doesn't come with like the little M power piece, so you would have to have that. It has a USB plug in, but again, I think it was worth it. Again, this is the lowest setting, so it goes from there and it gets brighter. Yeah, so that's the brightest it gets, which you can't tell from this camera, but this light is bright. As you can see, it's kind of dimming a little bit. But also, one of the cool things I thought about it, let me turn this down a little bit, actually all the way to its lowest setting again, and I'll show you this. You can actually change it to a cooler blue, like maybe like a hyper white, I guess this is what you would call it. And it also can change to a natural, like yellowish tone color there, which I thought was awesome. Like, I really like this light. Again, it's a 10-inch. Not a lot of instructions though, I can tell you that. This is about all you get as far as instructions for the light. That's just not gonna focus, but it's very minimal instruction wise. But oh, and it also comes with a remote that you can connect to your phone via Bluetooth. So I thought that was pretty cool. That's in my room. I didn't bring that out. But what's next? I think actually last, I bought this makeup kit basically to run a test on it, because I noticed that the colors in the set mimicked another very popular makeup palette that I have been eyeballing, but I wasn't quite sure about it. So I decided to get it and see how it would work anyway, because I like to test products sometimes. But with this palette, I also got, and this was completely wrapped. You're gonna see me open it, but it was wrapped on the outside. They actually send you these makeup brushes, which I thought were kind of cute. I already have a whole set, a ton of makeup brushes, especially for your eyes in my room. So I really didn't need makeup brushes. But I also noticed when I opened this up again, if you guys know anything about makeup palettes, for some of you this makeup palette may look very familiar because it was actually under a name brand as well. But this one is by Beauty Glaze Impressed You, and this is eyeshadow, of course. And it comes with a plastic overlay. If I can get it off. Alright. The colors are very, very pretty. Actually, let me turn this light on a little bit, maybe. So you can see. But the palette it's a very nice palette. You'll see some little indentations in some of the colors, but it's because I had already been playing with it. So yours won't come like this. I'm sure it'll be way more nicer. But again, I ran a test before. But I did want to show you guys this. As far as pigment wise, these are highly pigmented colors. And as you can see, I'm not like having to really dig into them. But they're all like really, really good. Especially those darker ones. As you can see, that's your gold. I'm having a hard time with my focus. But anyway, so again, really great palette for, I guess, beginners or even novice makeup artists, people, or whoever likes to play with makeup. Like, this is a good eyeshadow palette for you. And again, it comes with a set of brushes, a good basic set. So I thought that was really nice. But that is all I think I have for today as far as, oh, wait, I lied. I have one more thing. I also bought this step. Don't ask me why. I'm probably gonna use it to work out, maybe, hopefully, fingers crossed, because I have definitely gained a lot of weight over the last couple of months. So I do wanna drop my weight down again. But I did buy that step from Amazon as well. But that is all I think for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Actually my first real adult mom Amazon haul. But if you like what you see, please be sure to hit the thumbs up, to like this video, make sure you subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell. I actually have a couple of a little more controversial topics coming up. I've been trying to put them off, but eventually I'm gonna have to say what I need to say, just to make some things known to people. But anyway, make sure you subscribe so you can be aware of when those videos do come out. But I do thank you guys for watching. Love you guys so much. And again, I appreciate you being here, and talk to you soon.